Hi, my name is Lou Siegel. I'm with the New York State Marine Education Association. This is the sheet that you'd be entering all the data on. And this particular sheet is set up in such a way that it makes it easy to transfer from this sheet to the online version. Right after you're done taking the data, you can go to your computer and enter the data on the computer, and everybody in the world will get to see what your data looks like.
Wow.
Just doing a surface sample. It's a really easy way of doing it.
Take your surface sample first. You will test for oxygen and temperature. The oxygen can change with temperature, and the temperature can change up or down quickly once it is out of water. There are 2 tests for oxygen. Take the vial and fill it up to the 25 milliliter mark. Then you take the little vial with the chemicals in it and put it in the water with the 25 milliliters. On the bottom is a cover glass slide like on a microscope. It just hits the little tip, and you press on the little tip. When you press on the little tip, it fills the tube with water. Take the tube out of the water, invert it several times. Make sure the bubble travels all the way from the top and back to the bottom. Wait for 2 minutes. Check the color against the color samples. You must work in pairs. It is better to have one of you decide what the color is, and then have the other check to see if he or she agrees. The next test will require goggles, a bottle of water to rinse your hands, and paper towels to dry. There are dangerous chemicals. If you want an oxygen sample, you do not want to get bubbles. Take the sample bottle and submerge it slowly. Allow the water to fill up in the sample bottle without causing any bubbles. While it is under water, you tap it so that there are no bubbles left. While it is still under water, cap it and remove the sample bottle. Next, you add 2 chemicals. They are a strong base. Remove the lid and add 8 drops of manganese sulfate solution. Then add 8 drops of alkaline potassium iodide azide. Cap it. Take it away from anybody and shake it using your wrist. Let it settle until the precipitate goes below the shoulders of the bottle. Rinse your hands with water and dry. These chemicals react with oxygen that is in the water and convert the oxygen that is in the water into equal amounts of iodine. Next, add an acid. Add 1.0 gram spoon of sulfuric acid, in this case sulfamic acid, a slightly weaker acid, or 8 drops of sulfuric acid. Cap, shake, and keep until you can finish the test. The rest can be done at home.